Guys, today is the third day of being here at this cabin. Hey guys!
Take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We really needed that, hey, heads up, heads up.
Guys, today is the third day of being here at this cabin. Hey guys!
Today, Chris rented some boats this year, so they are actually off really far. Since nobody is up.
Home point updated.
Yeah, sorry.
Bear, sorry. Bear, sorry. No, 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 no.
Did you know?
Move, Riley, move. 나오는 줄 일로 와.
Không có chuyện. Có chuyện là đừng có
이거 뭔 차인데 나. 나 주문 안 나오는데 진짜. You guys stop splashing around him. 너는 진짜 일로 와 자기야. 저기 일로 가다.
Hi! Are you having fun? Are you having fun swimming? Yeah?
Let go!
Cheyenne is all the way out there.
I know. Okay, Anna, come back. Come back. Oh, she knows how to reverse.
It's fine.
It's like, yeah.
No reaction.
Okay, it's gonna go in my nose. Okay,
No, go back on your front.
I'll just let it go.
Let it go.
Move. Tell me when to go.
Go. Did that hurt?
Okay, my back hurts. Horrible. Ow! Back, bro.
Come on, Jake. Let's
Now
do
I
one
got
too.
scoliosis. Don't believe Leah. She's gonna set you up.
Come on, Riley. Let's do one.
No!
Come on. It's for the video.
No.
Here, Riley.
Did it really hurt your back?
Yeah, it hurt. I'm not gonna do it again.
It was the perfect shot.
I never did a back plant before, but first time for everybody.
And then I went all the way over there, came back, went all the way over there, came back.
Why don't you try riding the paddleboard?
drunk, bro.
Okay, mommy, stand up.
They're looking for the GoPro.
Grab the bolt.
Whoever can get it, I'll take you.
And then Sam, grab the rope on top of Chicken's hand. And Jolene, grab on top of the sand thing. Okay, ready? Wait. So when we go down, just you guys search out here. I'll go under the dock. Okay, ready?
They don't believe
One. You say you can open your eyes? Yeah, you can open your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Fuck. Chris. Say cheese. Are you smiling? Can you smile, please? Just do it once.
Where's Zach and them?
$500 expenses to learn a lesson.
Yep. I learned my lesson.
I got that deal. Later that same evening.
Okay, what's the plan?
Alright, I'm gonna go down.
You guys goggles?
Got Googles.
He got,
And my life tube.
so we're not gonna tell Zach no, but you know, either way.
He owes me $20. No problem. It better be worth $20.
God.
Not today. You need help with anchor? You wanna dive?
Some smarty pants.
You should got longer.
13 feet.
Yeah, but you know you can't just like go around.
You're breathing fine though, right?
You help anchor?
That's smart. I would have never thought of.
I thought about it like last second.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so you were the
Yeah.
genius behind everything.
Up it. What? It's hard? It's hard to breathe.
Really?
Hey, you can't give me a mouse ray, that's why.
All for the GoPro.
Well, don't breathe until you really need to. Duh.
Yeah, you go. I should have got a bigger tube.
Practice.
I'll just a practice round.
You can see good.
Is it even working?
You're going air pressure.
Are you ready?
What's this for?
Helps them go down faster.
Oh.
Yeah, alright. I also panicked a little bit.
So that's
I looked it up.
Is there water in there?
like we cut it to
Alright, ready?
for Zach to put his GoPro on.
Still water in there?
Can you breathe? Can you feel air?
He's breathing out.
Yeah, he's using the whole thing.
Oh, no. No bueno.
No?
Two don't work.
Two not working.
Don't work.
What do you mean two don't work? We heard you breathing.
Breathing out.
Oh, yeah.
It was all the air in my mouth was going up.
I mean, yeah, the tube is too thin.
Yeah, I need a bigger tube, but pull the anchor up. I'll just do it this way.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you have to try too hard to breathe in.
How deep is the water?
10 something? 9?
Bro, the thing barely even reached.
Dang, it could be anywhere.
But now he has goggles, so now he can see. Like actually.
I don't know.
Look, he's able to do a lot better now.
Hey, where's the...
The orange thing.
They're all tilting over.
Yeah, see, look, it's actually a lot longer.
Bring your rod thing up.
Yeah.
Not there?
It's deeper.
It's deeper this way?
It should not be over there. It should just be like that.
Nope. You want me to move over here now?
We need a wider tube.
Did you see it or did you just fell around?
Yeah, no, I saw it. It was just the bottom piece that was sticking out.
Oh.
So it was
So
covered?
it was yeah, covered?
Yeah,
Oh,
so it was
We were hitting
covered.
it the whole time?
It was legit in between 3 rocks. There was just like a little piece of section of mud.
No, because there was a little section I fell in. It was literally a hole. I think I fell on top of it.
Yeah, it was just like 3 rocks,
Yeah, a little
and it was
pocket.
just sitting right in the middle.
It was like a little pocket.
like that.
All right, I can get out now.
Oh snap! It still works, you guys.
It should have been recording the whole time, right?
It's still on?
Yes. Well,
Oh, that means it's
I
recording.
died. I don't know.
Oh, no, but since they
yeah.
said it was under the thing, you probably didn't see nothing. Except the fall.
Yeah, because
Who knocked it over? It was somebody knocked it over.
yeah,
It wasn't the
watch it
wind.
be one of the little kids who just didn't say
May
that.
want to take everything out and let it dry too,
Oh
in case.
yeah.
Ooh, I want to
Because
see.
it was in there for like a
I
hot
want to see
minute.
if it's so. If one of us landed on top of it.
Zach, save the
Hopefully
day.
it wasn't me, but kind of really want to hope.
That wasn't
See?
us. We
All
were...
we needed was goggles.
Yeah. we can do it.
What a trip.
What a trip.
I slept most of it. Didn't know what happened.
Dang.
See,
We
now
got
you guys
everything
cannot
we
throw these goggles away.
needed.
That's really sentimental value.
Yes, the glasses that Tina lost.
Yeah, Tina can't lose that ever again. Sentimental value now.
Seriously.
Her brother.
I am making the infamous cucumber water.
With rice.
Di cầu trên mo.
We have Uncle Lau grilling for a little bit.
Milo, go away.
Then we have Tina cooking bugs.
Yep. Fries and greens.
And then.
Tell me, what was your favorite thing about the cabin trip?
Swimming.
Okay. How about you?
My favorite thing of the cabin trip was sleeping. I'm joking. My favorite thing of the cabin trip was fishing around.
Fishing around?
Yeah.
Chris, what was your favorite part about the cabin trip?
Basta.
What? Oh, Basta? Oh, I can't really see it.
Hi guys, we're gonna go soon. We're gonna go sleep, and then tomorrow we're gonna pack because tomorrow we're leaving. And then but before we leave, we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go to somewhere else. Bye.